The mosquito, kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, scientific name Anopheles labrantia and Culex papiens, common name Anopheles mosquito and Culex mosquito. Habitat: mosquitoes live in warm and swampy lowland areas. Three types of mosquitoes are Anopheles mosquito, Culex mosquito, and the Aedes mosquito. Structure: their bodies are divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. A. The head. The head has compound eyes but no ocelli. The male has long bushy antennae while the female has short thin antennae. The male has proboscis used for sucking only. The female has proboscis used for piercing and sucking. The male feeds on nectar and fruit juices, while the female feeds on the blood of animals and man. The female's proboscis has a salivary tube, which secretes saliva that causes itching and swelling of the beating spot. B. Thorax. It contains three segments. Each segment has a pair of jointed legs and a pair of spiracles. The thorax has a pair of flight wings and a pair of halters. C. Abdomen. Each segment of the abdomen has a pair of spiracles for breathing. Life history. Mosquitoes undergo complete metamorphosis. The female lays eggs on the surface of stagnant or standing water, like ponds found in swamps and empty containers filled with water. After 3 days, the eggs hatch into larvae or wrigglers. A larva's body is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. The head has a pair of ocelli, a pair of antennae, and mouth brushes which sweep food into the mouth. The abdomen is segmented. It breathes using spiracles and anal gills. The larva of Culex mosquito breathes using siphon, that is breathing tube and anal gills. The larva feeds, grows, and molts about 3 times before it becomes a pupa. The pupa's body is divided into cephalothorax and an abdomen. The pupa does not feed but breathes using breathing trumpets. After a few days, the skin of the pupa bursts open to release the adult or imago. When its wings get dry and hard, it starts flying. Differences between the Anopheles mosquito and the Culex mosquito. The eggs of the Anopheles mosquito are laid singly, while the eggs of the Culex mosquito are laid in rafts, that is, groups. The larva of the Anopheles mosquito is firmly attached to the water surface, that is, close to the water surface, while the larva of the Culex mosquito is not close to the water surface. The breathing tube of the Anopheles mosquito is short, while the Culex mosquito has a long breathing trumpet. When at rest, the body of the adult Anopheles mosquito is raised from the surface, while the body of the adult Culex mosquito lies on the surface or the ground. The Anopheles mosquito transmits malaria, while the Culex mosquito transmits elephantiasis. Mode of life. Culex and Anopheles mosquitoes are nocturnal. The Aedes mosquito is diurnal. Female mosquitoes feed on nectar and fruit juices only when blood is lacking. Their long legs help them to land on the skin of man and animals unnoticed. They also help to support them when they are feeding and resting. Economic importance of mosquitoes. The female Anopheles mosquito spreads the parasite called Plasmodium, which causes malaria. The Aedes mosquito transmits the yellow fever virus, which causes yellow fever. The Aedes mosquito also causes dengue fever. The Culex mosquito spreads the filarial worm called Wuchereria bancrofti, which causes filariasis and elephantiasis. The bites of mosquitoes are irritating, while the buzzing sounds made by their wings causes annoyance to man. How to control the spread of mosquitoes? The adult and larvae are sprayed with insecticides and larvicides. Breeding places of mosquitoes like drains, swamps, ditches, and pools should be drained. Empty containers should be burnt or buried because they may collect rainwater and therefore act as breeding places. Tall bushes around houses should be cleared to prevent them hiding there. Oil or kerosene should be sprayed on stagnant water to kill the larvae and pupae. People should prevent themselves from being bitten by using mosquito nets. Certain type of fish and prawn should be introduced into ponds and swamps so as to feed on larvae and pupae.